Lieutenant General Harinder Singh, India's Leh Corps commander. This corps is known as the Fire and Fury Corps, deployed in Ladakh. Now the general will take stock of the situation on ground as he heads into that meeting with the Chinese army co-commander or the commander of the Chinese forces in the South Xinjiang area, Major General Li Liu. The general is taking stock of the situation. The two generals will meet at the border meeting point at Moldo, Chushul, very close to the advanced landing ground in Chushul. Remember, this is the area where that famous Battle of Rizangla was fought in 1962, where 130 Indian soldiers held back more than a brigade of the Chinese army, and perhaps the Chinese would well know India's resolve to protect our territory. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's editor defense Abhishek Bhalla, who joins us with the latest. Abhishek, the border talks, what time are they likely to start? What's key on India's agenda?
Well, Gaurav, restoration of status quo as of April is what India is hoping for. Complete pullback and the induction of artillery and armor systems that the Chinese had brought very close to the line of actual control. And also very important on the list is the fact that India is going to make an appeal to China that all the border road constructions that the Chinese have been objecting to should not be done, because this is very much on the Indian side of the line of actual control, and this is our legitimate right, just the way Chinese have ramped up their own infrastructure. So hopefully the Chinese will be able to understand the Indian point of view. Other than this, as we've been discussing, the face-off at Pangong is extremely severe, and that's something that India is hoping will be resolved, and will be asking the Chinese to move back, because as per protocols, as per agreements, camping in a disputed site or putting up any kind of structures is a violation of these agreements. So India will be putting across its case, saying that please move back from here. This is an area that has been controlled by the Indian Army for a long time.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.